Welcome back, friends! I feel happy because you will accept a new challenge from me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wish you luck. First questions. Would you accept this gift? Fish slippers. Would you play this video game? Roblox. Would you like to do this job? Professional sleeper. Would you agree to eat this? Nutella fries. Would you participate in this game in real life? Squid Game. Would you buy this phone? Classic Nokia N-Gage. Would you eat this candy? Rainbow lollipop. Would you give this to someone in need? All your savings. Could you sing like her? Billie Eilish. Would you drink this? Mocktail. Would you eat a slice of this cake? Rainbow cake. Would you watch this series on Netflix? Wednesday. Would you like to hug her? Valak. Would you like to win this gift? Holy shoes. Would you like to live here? Nice classic house. Would you go to bed at this time? 8 p.m. Would you like to visit this place? Bali, Indonesia. Would you buy this car? Hot dog car. Would you like to watch this anime? Naruto. Would you like to spend a week here? Haunted hotel. Would you participate in this TikTok trend in public? TikTok mashup dance. Would you like to spend your vacation here? Water park. Would you invite him to your birthday party? Coco melon. Would you eat this? Vegan food. Do you want to meet this person? Leonardo DiCaprio. Would you take care of him? A puppy. Would you accept this gift? This ugly sweater. Would you like to meet this person? PewDiePie. Could you dance like him? Skibidi toilet. Do you accept this gift? Broken phone. Would you give this someone in need? Apple Vision Pro. Would you remove this app from your phone? TikTok. Do you want to visit this place? Backroom. Would you be able to do this in class? Fart loudly. Would you sing this song in the shower? Elsa, let it go. Do you want to play this video game? Super Mario. Would you like to taste this? Pancakes. Do you accept this gift? PlayStation 5. Do you want to go there on vacation? Haunted place. Would you offer him food? A homeless person. Would you eat a piece? Pizza. Would you accept this challenge? Touch your elbow with your nose. Would you invite him to your birthday party? It clown. Would you eat this? Fried bananas? Would you swim here? North Pole? Do you want to meet this person? KB lame. Could you spend a week without this? Your smartphone. Would you want this to happen to you? Win $1 million. Choose one button. Like this video. Would you accept this challenge? Write your first name in the comments.